waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Dance is done. Next, baking cookies. Let's go make cookies. Which cookies are we baking? Coconut cookies? Okay. We haven't tried that in a long time. Yeah. Let's go! Hey guys! It's me, Mandira, and welcome back to my channel. Today, me and Lisha are having a fun party. So we are baking coconut cookies. So here are the fun ingredients. Here are the ingredients. So we got 1 cup melted butter, 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 to 3 spoons of milk, baking powder, 1 cup coconut powder, and 1 cup maida, and 1 little spoon. Now let's add 1 cup of melted butter. Now add 1 cup powdered sugar. Now mix, mix, mix. Now let's add 1 cup coconut powder. Now let's add 1 cup maida. So much maida. Now add 2 to 3 spoons of milk. Now let's add 1 spoon of baking powder. It's very hard to mix. You want to taste? Yes. Take a small portion and make it into a ball. Now dip it in the coconut powder. This already looks good. Now we're going to put it on the baking paper. I'm going to take another small portion and make it a ball again and dip it in the coconut powder and put it here. Repeat the process. This is done. Before that, preheat the oven at 180 degrees and for 10 minutes. Now the oven is preheated. Now let's bake these cookies for 15 minutes. Cookies are ready. So let's place the cookies.